Now let's talk about calculating the size of the file and directories in PowerShell. So as we know, the GCI or get child item command returns the content of the directory or file that we are going to be providing as a first parameter. So if I say dash path and I want a current directory, which is period in this case, we can fast a complete path as well. In this case, it's PowerShell, which will work the same. And then we have the pipelining, and we can pass the select object, and we can select any property from this. Let's say I want the name as well as the creation date and the length. So the length is actually the size of the file that is given. So here we have only one file and the length is 921, which is like in bytes, which is like mostly 1 KB or kilobyte. So let's say I want to display this in MBs or in kilobytes or gigabytes and something like that. So how we would do that? So to do that, we will use the same expression like this, but instead we will create custom or calculated property. Let's say I want to display the name, the creation date, and the length, but the length should be in kilobytes. So we will do the same as we did before, like this. As you can see, it returns the creation date and name, but we want to add another one as well. So we will like create an object like so, and we will pass the name. So let's say, as you can see, we have the name and creation time, right? So we want to add another one, that is, the name is, let's say, size or length. Let's say size n KB, and then we need some result for that. So we can pass the expression, and this is equal to the calculated size in kilobytes. So to calculate the size in kilobyte, we will use the ps item or dollar underscore, that is a special variable that points to each object of the this GCI object, and we have the main thing, that is length, that we saw right here. So we will copy this and paste it here, and then we will divide this by the kilobyte, that is let's say 1 KB. So we can write that directly right here. So KB, kilobytes. So now if I hit enter, this is 0. Seems like this is something wrong with this. Oh, the length spelling is wrong. So as you can see, that is 34081, that is in bytes. So if I divide that by 1 KB, this will return the kilobytes, and we can do like the MB as well. So megabytes, 1 megabyte, and this is like almost 0.035 and something megabytes. But we have the title that is size in kilobyte, so we will divide that by 1 KB. So now this is the size of the file in kilobytes. So that's how you can calculate the property and add a custom property like this, because as you can see, previously we were having a length, the property name, but now we have added the size in kilobytes as a name, and then the expression is the actual value um, of the expression of the value of the expression. So if, let's say, I am creating another file, let's say stat1.ps1, and we have something in this, some random characters, and as you can see, we have the calculated size in kilobytes for that one as well. See you in the next